Introducing the Appelt Cats. This is Django. Yes, very handsome cat. Giving himself a big scratch. He's good at that. Whoop, where did he go? Where did Django go? Let's see if we can find some other cats. I'm looking under the table. I don't see any cats under there. Let's look up. Up, up, up. There's a cat. There's Haas, sitting on the clean towels. Did you think that I washed those towels just for you, Haas? They look kind of cozy, I must say. And who's this over here by you? Let's see. Oh, look at you. You're so handsome. Oh, I see Peach. Hi, Peach. You're on the clean towels, too. Boy, you cats are snoozy. Did I wake you up? Oh, big yawn. Cats definitely are good at yawning, I must say. Let's see if we can find Jasmine. Here's a sunbeam. Jasmine tends to like sunbeams, but I don't see her here. Is she on the bed? Not on the bed. I wonder if she's under the bed. Maybe. If she's under there, we better leave her alone. Let's walk back through the house. Okay. There's Haas and Peach. We've already seen them. Sometimes Jasmine likes to come back here and... I think I've spotted her. There she is. Hi, Jazz. Did I wake you up? You're sitting on the purple chair, your favorite purple chair. What do you have to say? Do you have something to say? Oh, that was a big yawn too. Okay, I'll let you go back to sleep. Now that you've met the cats, I'm going to take you upstairs and show you where my studio is, where my office is. And if you think my kitchen is messy, wait till you see my office. Here's my couch where I sometimes take a little cat nap myself. So here's my desk, here's my chair, here's my computer. You can see that I've got a lot of stuff taped up on my wall. There's my scanner and all my work stuff, my files. All my stuff. The best part about this little office is over here. There's my cabinet. It's right here. It's this great door that looks out into a tree. In fact, let's go out there. Let's just go out there. And go out here. Look right into the tree. I'm up in a tree. It's like being in a tree house almost. I'm looking up here and move over to the porch rail and look down into my yard. Look at all the grass. My little tree house is up here in the forest almost. I like my pink porch rail. Sometimes when I'm working, I can just sit at my desk. You can see it from in here. And stare out the window. Look who came up here to visit. Jasmine. Did you wake up? Did you wake up? What? Where'd she go? Where did she go? There she is. There she is. I kind of think of Jasmine as the boss of the cat family. She's definitely the noisiest of the cat family. What do you say, Missy? Can you say something? Say something. Jasmine. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. There you are with your strawberry. Yes, there you are. She likes to weave her way around my feet, but whoop, I lost her. Oh, but look, you can see mine. Can you see them? My green toenails. Yep. There they are. And there's Jasmine. All right. Enough of this. Bye.